How to change email on AliExpress account. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Let's see if we can change email on AliExpress. For this, tap open your AliExpress application in your mobile device. If you have not signed in or created an AliExpress account, go ahead and do so. Then tap on the account icon at the bottom. At the very top, go ahead and select on the setting gear icon. Head over to Profile. In here, you can tap on Account Information. You will see your email address right over here. If you wish to change it, you can just tap on the email address. After which, you'll be redirected to a new page, in which you will have to enter the 6-digit OTP code which will be sent via the registered email address. Once you verify your email address, you will get the chance to update into a new Gmail account. And that is how you'll be able to change your email on AliExpress account. That wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.